In this lesson, I want to show you how to create a complex pattern. You can see it on the screen. I'll explain how to make the version with hexagons. And in a more advanced lesson, we'll cover these kinds of random pieces. Let's start by double-clicking on the Grasshopper screen, on the viewport, and the search menu will appear. Let's type hex. Hex. And here there's a node called hexagonal. Click on it. You see these hexagons appear. For size, we'll set it to 10. I just click in the search and enter the number 0. A number slider appears. Click. And for the quantity, we can also connect a slider. Click. Click. There you go. Now, let's open the Anemone tab. You might not have the Anemone tab, but there's a link in the description where you can download it. Go to the Anemone tab. Here it is. This is what the tab looks like. And let's create a fast loop start node and a fast loop end node. Okay, from this output of hex grid, connect D0 and connect this arrow to that arrow. And now we'll create nodes that will be repeated. Let's create a move node. Let's create another move node. Let's create a scale node. Let's create an area node. Connect the output from the start of the loop, D0, to area, and we see an error. Please connect the start of the loop to the end of the loop. This happened because of the incorrect order of connections. First, you need to connect the start of the loop to the end of the loop, and only then connect the nodes for repetition. And let's connect center to the center and geometry over here. And here's what we get. We can see how our squares have gotten smaller. Let's create a rotate node. Rotate. Click. Let's set it to 15. And here right click on the letter A and enable degrees. Click. There. In P, play, connect, C. And now let's just go ahead and carefully conceal it for us. Here's what we get. And now connect G to G in move, set it to Z, and negative 0 so it goes down instead of up. Click. Click. Let's start with this size. In scale, set it to 0.9 so it almost reaches the edge. You'll see now. See how it moves. Now connect the G output from the move node to the D0 input of the end of the repeat node. Right click and select record data, and in iteration set, for example, 15 and connect it here. Like this. Look at what we get. What an interesting thing. There you go. See how the waves go, like wig, wig, wig. That's exactly the pattern we wanted to achieve. We can reduce the move a little bit. What's it set to right now? 1, we can set it to 0.5. Like this. See, with more iterations, it goes further down. What an interesting pattern. So, we've created our pattern. This was Robert Iftifi with you. Goodbye, everyone.